Hi students, welcome back. Today we will learn a new chapter from Geography, Consumer Satisfaction and Protection. Observe the pictures. We visit these institutions for various requirements. It is clear that modern man has various wants such as food, clothes, shelter, education, health, entertainment, etc. For this, we use goods and services. Consumption and consumer. Consumption is the satisfaction of human wants using goods and services. A consumer is a person who purchases and uses goods and services by paying or agreeing to pay a price. While purchasing products, we ought to pay different prices for the same product in different shops. We wish to get goods at a fair price. What are the other aspects that a consumer expects while purchasing products and using services? Quality, reliability, after sales services. The act of fulfilling the wants of the consumer through the consumption of goods and services is called satisfaction. There are various circumstances where the consumers are exploited or cheated. Selling low quality products, adulteration, charging excess price, manipulation in weights and measures, delay in making services available. Next, Consumer Protection Act of 1986. It clearly defines the consumer's rights and sets up special judiciary mechanism for consumer protection in India. Let us see some of the rights of the consumer as per the Act. The right to be protected against the marketing of goods and services which are hazardous to life and property. The right to be informed about the quality related aspects of goods and services. The right to have access to goods and services at fair prices. The right to be heard and to seek redressal at appropriate forums. The right to consumer education. The consumer courts were established as a result of this act. Next, consumer courts. There may be situations in which the consumers are not satisfied with the dealings of the producers and distributors. Under such circumstances, they can approach the consumer courts, which are mechanisms for assisting or helping them as per the law. Consumer courts play an important role in ensuring justice to the consumers. They settle consumer disputes by various means, including ensuring compensation for the consumers. The consumer courts are able to create confidence in the consumers and bring about a qualitative change in their lives. Today, in India, consumers are utilizing the services of consumer courts operating fruitfully at three levels: district, state, and national. Let us see the structure and jurisdiction of the district, state, and national consumer courts. First, District Consumer Disputes Redressal Forum. It functions at district level. It consists of president and two members, at least one women member. Its jurisdiction: after collecting evidence based on the complaint filed by the consumer, verdicts are given where the compensation claimed does not exceed rupees 20 lakhs. Next, State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission. It functions at state level. It consists of president and two members, at least one women member. State government has the right to appoint more members. Its jurisdiction: verdicts are given on the consumer disputes where compensation claimed is above rupees 20 lakhs but up to rupees 1 crore. Third one, National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission. It functions at national level. It consists of president, not less than 4 members. Central government has the right to appoint more members. Its jurisdiction: verdicts are given on disputes where compensation claimed exceeds rupees 1 crore. The procedures of the consumer courts are different from those of the general courts. The important features of consumer courts are as follows: simple procedures, fast assurance of justice, less court expenses. Next, situation when complaints about consumer disputes can be filed: when the purchased product is damaged or defective services received from government or non-government or private institutions, violation of the Prevention of Adulteration law, sale of products which are harmful to life and safety, laws due to trading methods which lead to unfair practices and limited consumer freedom, and last one, giving misleading advertisement for increasing sales. Next, the following are the compensations for consumer disputes obtained through consumer courts: replacing the product, repayment of cash paid, monetary compensation for the loss, direction to rectify the defects in services, prohibition of the sale of harmful food items, and reimbursement of the expense incurred in lodging the complaint. According to the Consumer Protection Act 1986, apart from the consumer courts, three-level advisory council have been set up. They are the District Consumer Protection Council, State Consumer Protection Council, and National Consumer Protection Council. The responsibility of this council is to advise the respective governments on consumer rights. Apart from the Consumer Protection Act 1986, there are many other acts for the protection of the consumers. Important among them are Sale of Goods Act 1930. It ensures that the prescribed conditions of sale are met while purchasing products. Violation of guarantee, warranty, after sale services, etc. comes under this act. Next, Agriculture Produce Act 1937. This act is meant for determining the standard of agricultural products. Third one, Essential Commodities Act 1955. This act protects the consumers from supernormal profit, hoarding, black marketing, etc. Next, Weights and Measures Act 1976. This act is helpful in preventing cheating in weights and measures. Let's review about today's topic. First, consumer. A consumer is a person who purchases and uses goods and services. Next, consumption. Consumption is the satisfaction of human wants using goods and services. Next, circumstances where the consumers are exploited: selling low quality products, adulteration, charging excess price. Next, different types of consumer courts are District Consumer Disputes Redressal Forum, State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission, National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission. Next, compensation for consumer disputes obtained through consumer courts are replacing the product, repayment of cash paid, monetary compensation for the loss. These are the main points included in this topic. Hope all of you understood today's topic. Thank you.